All right, everyone, welcome to Chasing the Kraken. So it is Saturday. I'm actually out here at Crawling Valley. I got it in my head that I wanted to do an overnight. So this is actually, we got about maybe about an hour and a half worth of daylight left. So I'm going to head out on the kayak. I'm going to sleep over here tonight in the tent and then up first thing in the morning. So yeah, thanks for coming along. Let's get after it. All right, bit of a breeze, but we're on the water. I'll check in once I get into the cover of that lagoon. Thanks again. Oh, look at that, I'm beached. Son of a beach. Okay, this is where I lose all of my chair padding, which I hopefully won't. Oh man, this is just 6 inch, no, my mistake, 10 inches of muck with a couple of rocks sitting on top of it. Nice to get out on the water though. I wasn't initially planning to come out here, but it just seemed like a good opportunity and I need it. Oh, there we go. Oh, you coming back for it, you jerk? I've been experimenting with a few things on the channel. Posted a couple of shepherd sling videos. You know, I can't say they're knocking down the gates or anything, but it's just fun. It's fun to post something a little different. Mix it up. Keep it fresh for me at least. I'd love to see some comments about what people do aside from fishing. What are their other little outdoor related hobbies? I would love to hear that. That would be awesome. You know, are there people who are into archery? Are there people that you know, that camp out in the, like, without a trailer or without even a tent? Like, are there people out there who do that? What's their experience like? I don't camp out without a trailer very often at all, and that's one of the things I wanted to do about this, was just come out here. I was actually prepared to set up on a country road with my tent in the back of my truck, but probably better to have a site. So I managed to find a tenting site at Crawling Valley, but I really feel like I need to kind of expand my my repertoire, my interests. Oh, he picked it up. Oh, you bucker, picked it up right at the boat, but it didn't stick. Nice. Wow, that's good. That's a good sign. I spent a few years in the Army after high school, and I'll be honest with you, it killed whatever, well, not whatever, it killed a bunch of my outdoor vibe. You know, it's a different experience when you know, you're out there not by choice, really. They tell you when to camp and where to camp and how to camp. I can't say that even that part of it I enjoyed a bunch. And I didn't camp too much as a kid, I don't know. But anyway, all that to say that I'm slowly, now that I'm freaking in my 50s, well, I'm 50, now that I'm at this age, I am starting to, you know, sort of get back into that, rediscover a little bit of that, and yeah. So anyway, throw it in the comments, whatever you got. I'm Jordan the Kraken, and I'm listening. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Turn on that drag, get the net in the water. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, let's get some. Come on, don't give it any slack. Stop. Whoa. All right, you just saved my evening. Whoa. Oh, no. Come on. You bastard. Come on. What was that? What was that? That was a nice sized piker. And he freaking spit it just as I'm maneuvering the net. Man. All right, this might actually, yeah, that's a, hang on. I don't know what the hell that is anymore. Jeez. It feels, well, it's coming, but I don't know. Is it a fish wrapped in weeds? Good. that's a fish is a fish. Get in there.
Headshot.
You spit it, but didn't quit it. All right, buddy. Okay, you take her easy. You little bugger. All right. Well, not skunked on day one. Caught him in the net just as he spit it and was leaping to his freedom. Good morning, campers. So it is the next morning, and yeah, just having my morning coffee and grabbing something to eat, and then I'm out on the water. So I don't want to overpromise here, but I actually I have discovered time travel. I'm telling you guys first because, you know, because we're close. But yeah, so last night I went to bed and I was 50 years old, and I slept in a tent on a little thermarest, and this morning my back is actually turning 100. It's really cool. Crawling Valley, it looks like it actually might be a nice day, so let's get after it. First customer of the day. What version of Tiny Pike could it be? There he is. Okay there, Frank.
Killing spree.
Getting the net out. Look at that, eh? Thanks for coming to play, though. Oh, he's got a little bit of, there he goes. He's gone. Playing with my minnow here. There we go. Tighten up that drag. Wow. All right, Wally, come around the front. Wow. Did he drag me into the weeds, or is he just freaking massive? Whoa. Well, definitely, oh, it's a pike. Freaking pike.
Double kill.
All right. Well, you can catch pike anywhere, I guess. Whew. And the hook came right out. Take it easy there, mate. Come on. Don't be like that. You shit. All right. Fat little piker. Invading walleye territory. Off you go, Junior. All right, we have a customer. Oh, he went deep. Wrapped in weeds, no doubt. But let's see if we can get him out. Yeah, went right into the weeds, the bastard. Ah! Yeah, still on there. He went into the weeds to save his scaly hide. Way too many weeds in here. That's the problem. So he dove in, and I snapped the, let's see, what's the damage here? Yep, snapped the rod right off. Okay, well, let's get this guy free. Hang on, pal. That was proof of concept. So basically what I wanted to see was, you know, if there are a lot of pike in these, kind of hanging out in these shallows. So let's check out the monster that broke my rod. Well, him and a bunch of weed friends, right? Okay, buddy. Back you go. Oh, geez. Hang on, let me help you out here. He's got about a foot-long weed stuff down his gullet. There you go, pal. All right. Have fun at the party. Okay. He still wants it. And he's got it. There we go. Oh, bugger. Come on. Come back for it a third time, you cheese ball. There we go.
Unstoppable.
Oh, you bastard. Oh, that got him. So he took a swipe at it and then missed. It came back. And
Ultra kill.
with you, you toothy bastard, you. Whew. There we go. There's another skinnier little pike, but he was motivated. He was well motivated. Okay, what do we got here? Felt a little head shake. It's probably a small pike. Oh, it's funny. I can see him going sideways on me. What do we got? What do we got? I'm loving a little walleye action today, but it seems like I'm... Oh, that's not a bad piker.
Unstoppable.
I'll take that action. Oh, and even the hook came out. Oh, no. All right, Mr. Piker. All right there. Settle down. Settle down. That's Sid. Wow. There we go. Little piker patrolling the shallows. Oh, almost felt like get something in his belly, but it's not. It's just his fins. Okay, buddy. And away he goes. Is it walleye time? Whoa. It's walleye time. Nice walleye time, too. Oh, come here, buddy.
Ultra kill.
Time. Oh, Jedi mind trick. Come on, buddy. All right. Plies. I love how walleye come with their own sandpaper. Hey. Take it easy there, mate. I love these guys. They're so beautiful. Nice walleye. Well done, you, sir. That is a fat, healthy walleye. Okay, buddy. And away he goes. Very nice.
A great success!
Well, yeah, something grabbed. I don't think that's just weeds, but... Oh, no. Weeds, no pull back. Okay. Okay. Well, we can get a look at this guy. Ho, ho, ho! Chunky monkey! Try to bite off my cojones. That's enough for you. There we go. You fought hard enough. You don't need to wait for me to get my scale. One last look at you. Nice, beautiful pike way out here in the deep on this nice diving crankbait. Okay. Yeah, you are one gorgeous pike. Wow. Yeah, you still got some life in you. Hey, if you got enough life to try and bite off my testicles, you got enough life to swim away. So, don't be looking for me for sympathy. Wow. Beautiful fish. have a way to measure you, actually. Well, I sort of do, I guess. Let me just see something. So the rubber is right to the end. If that was gonna go, well, and away you go. He was playing possum. All right, wow. There he is. He's still just sort of just clipping away. That's it, pal. You can. There you go. There you go. I've never seen one swim away like that. Let's follow that guy and make sure he's okay. Maybe a swim bladder. Got a little too much air in his gob. I don't know. Come on, champ, speak to me. There he goes. Yeah, there he goes. He didn't need any help from us. Wow, what a beautiful fish. Wow. Let's do our wrap up out here. So it is, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And, you know, I've had a full day of fishing. I've caught lots of fish. It's been a great time, so I'm gonna pack her in here. And yeah, so just wanna thank you for coming along on the ride. Had a couple of adventures, broke a rod. Didn't lose anything other than that, so that's a plus for me. But caught a nice walleye, a couple of really nice pike, and yeah, it was just a good day to get out on the water. So I hope wherever you are, you're having a great time as well, and I appreciate you sticking with me. All right, guys, so as always, keep on cracking.